Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup Skin. Today I am unbelievably excited. I am collaborating with 3 YouTubers. As you may be aware, Charlotte Holdcroft started the foundation wardrobe tag. So what we have done is we have got together and we are going to present our 10 choices of occasions where we would wear particular foundations. Just a little bit about the YouTubers that I have collaborated with.
What day is today? Today is giveaway day. What day is today? Today is giveaway day. Woo!
Yeah, she's crazy, but her crazy's beautiful to me.
Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Beauty and the Frizz. My name is Cara, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you have already subscribed, thank you again for coming back and taking time out of your day to spend a few minutes with me.
Hi everyone. So sixth weekend indoors, and I started thinking about highlighters. It snowed here this weekend in New England, so I started to think what it would be like to actually, have warm weather and be outside.
So guys, let me share with you what I would wear on certain occasions. So for date night or an event, I would definitely wear my Fenty Beauty Pro Hydration Filter Foundation. This is the foundation I'm wearing at the moment. Obviously I thought today was an event, so I wore it. It provides my dry skin with the hydration it needs. It gives me a gorgeous glow. It melts into my skin and it is absolutely flawless. Now I particularly like to leave my makeup a little bit more tacky. I do set my under eyes sometimes, but definitely this would be my go-to for date night or an event because it just doesn't let me down. School run or errands, I absolutely have to wear a little bit of makeup for leaving the house just because it makes me feel human. It gives me some confidence, and I'm all about empowering us and how we feel and giving us that confidence that we need to do, even if it's a school run or an errand that we need to run. So I would use the Giorgio Armani, the Neo Nude True to Skin Glow Foundation. I have a video on this, I will link it down below. I did a full review. It looks like skin, it feels like skin, it is so glossy. You can mattify if you want to with a setting powder, but because I have dry skin, you'll find a lot of my recommendations. I do have a few mattes, but my recommendations are glowy. So workday, I would definitely pick the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Now this is because it's got a soft focus to it. It doesn't budge, but it still doesn't look completely flat. There are a number of other choices that I would wear to work, but they are involved in other picks. It does depend on the type of work you're doing. So office work, this would work for. You can mix in some moisturizer and make it more of a tinted moisturizer, but it is mattifying but not flattifying, as I call it. It doesn't make your skin look flat. So this is my choice for that. So for a wedding, I have a tried and true, a NARS family. Now I know we're only supposed to do one, but for brides, the NARS Sheer Glow is a hands down winner for me. However, if they want more full coverage but still want a natural look, then this is the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. There is another NARS foundation that I couldn't actually find, and it's the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. That is perfect if you want this effect, so NARS photogenic makeup, no white flash, because NARS is made for photography. NARS is made for your wedding day. Clubbing. Now, my clubbing days are long since over. However, I do get the whole vibe. So my recommendation is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter High Coverage Foundation. Now this is a wonderful foundation that does not budge. Now for the gym and for exercise, technically I wouldn't wear any makeup to the gym because I know I said I like to leave the house with something, but your skin needs to breathe whilst you're working out and you're having that transition from ridding your body of toxins and trying to get healthier. However, if I had to, I would wear the IT Cosmetics CC full coverage cream because it's light enough to look undetectable, but it's full enough somehow to give you that coverage that you may want. Now, this one I found really interesting. For a festival, I have a new find. I would use the DIOR Forever Skin Concealer. Now this is a 2-in-1 product. It's actually a concealer and you can use it as a foundation. So the reason I would use this at a festival is because if I set it in place, it will last all day whilst having a good time dancing, drinking, the whole lot. However, if I needed to touch up, it's small enough to be in a sort of side messenger bag or in my pocket if I needed to. So that is what I would wear to a festival. I have a review on this as well. For my everyday choice, it is actually going to be the DIOR Backstage Foundation. Now this is actually the universal highlighter. I couldn't find where my son has put the foundation itself, but it's in this bottle and I will list the shade below. It's part of the DIOR Backstage range. This is for face and body. It is so light and it can be built so beautifully, but I would wear this every day because this is the one I receive most compliments from family members or my husband. So for every day, it's perfect as a light coverage, but if you want to build it and make it last all night, you can do so. For a pool party, it would have to be none other than the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Now, the reason I have picked this is because it absolutely makes your skin look smooth, it fills in any pores, it lasts absolutely all day. So that would be my go-to for a pool party. Now, if you want to make this thinner, just again, put a little bit of your moisturizer so it looks more like a tint rather than a full-on foundation. But if I'm going to be sitting by the pool, then this is what I want. Guys, the last one, when I want to look my most beautiful, I use my NARS Sheer Glow. I wore this on my wedding day in Vegas and it did not let me down. It is the foundation that looks like skin for me. It lets my skin breathe. It doesn't show up on photos in sort of a white cast. It is beautiful. It's hands down my favorite foundation ever. In terms of looking your most beautiful, I want you guys to know and feel that you don't actually have to wear any makeup to feel beautiful, but this is all about fun. It's a lovely tag and it's about wearing makeup and really enjoying and embracing our passion for it. So it would be the NARS Sheer Glow. Please don't forget to enter my giveaways, guys. There's 2 live giveaways running at the moment. I'll put the links down in the description bar for you. Thanks, Charlotte, so much for creating such a wonderful tag, and I hope you get to watch it. I'd like to thank all of my subbies for watching. I'd also like to thank YADI, CARA and Jen for including me in this collaboration. I feel really, really honoured to have done this with you. Thank you so much. Please go and check out their channels. I'll link their description below and their Instagrams and all that good stuff. There's a huge announcement coming, guys. Please wait for that. It's going to be something centered around you guys again and something that I hope is going to help my subbies. Please keep your requests coming in. I am currently trying to cater for everybody's requests. You can message me on Instagram. My Instagram details are down below. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.